welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Trisha Miller. I upload videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. The goal for today, if you can see behind me, it's kind of like a mini door. We have a secret room under the stairs in the basement. I was so excited when we built our home to create this space for the kids. It's a finished space. The problem is it has not really been used right now. We've thrown some blankets in there. Sometimes the boys will go in there with friends, but it's really just not pulling them. They don't really feel the need to go in there, and I want to change that. My vision for this summer, because everybody's home, is for it to be a space where one kid can go at a time and just have just a calming, fun, cozy environment, just to have some alone time. Maybe go read in there. Maybe go in with a friend in there if you just the siblings need to kind of separate for a little bit, especially we're in the honeymoon stage of summer right now. We're about a week in, everybody's getting along, everything's going really well. I know that will change shortly. And so maybe when the bickering, the fighting begins, I can just say, Rory, why don't you go into the special room in the basement? Something like that to entice them just to get away from each other for a little bit. You can use a closet. I've done that before. I've just kind of cleared out, you just need a little bit of space, throw a blanket on the ground, hang up some fun lights. All of a sudden, it becomes this really cool space that a kid wants to go into. So that's my goal for this room. Thank you for being here. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notifications, subscribe to the channel. We're on Instagram and Facebook at Miller Family Vibes. This should be a quick one. It shouldn't take me very long to do this one today. I want to show just little spots like that this summer for you guys, some organization, glow up spots, all those fun things. So thank you for being here. Let's get started. So here's an overview of what that room looks like. It's like a half-size door, but when you go in, the ceilings are high. I'm almost 5'2", and I can stand up perfectly fine. I'll kind of show you. They go up pretty high. It's probably a 9-foot ceiling when you first walk in, and then it dips down a little bit, but it's at least 5.5, 6 feet tall because I can stand up no problem in there. So it's a really cool space. It's a very, very cool space. I want it to be used. So I'm envisioning just hanging up some fun lights in there, keeping the beanbag chairs in there, but kind of taking everything, all the chaos out of there. I want it to be a calm, cozy, magical space that people want to go into. Of course, there's Nerf darts in there because those are everywhere in my life. So let's get everything out, let's vacuum it up, and let's just start creating the cozy space.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. On my mind, we've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I into us. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night. This summer night. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This summer night. This summer night. Oh, this summer night.
I never got it, why'd you have to go? I guess this world's too slow for you. I think there's beauty in the gray, the cold, but you just want the gold. And there's no way I can beat it, 'cause I got no chance, no chance when it comes to her. She got the glitter and the fame, and
These lights are awesome. There's like 10 different settings to them, and they're plug-in, they're remote operated, and I just put the remote right next to the wall, the light switch. I attached it so we don't lose it. I will link those below. Also, the artwork here, I just wanted to hang the kids' artwork up. It makes them so happy and proud when they see it, and that makes me happy. All right, I want to show you the floor mat that I'm gonna put down because I was just so excited that I found these on sale at Target. So I'll hold it up, they're massive. I got 2 of them, they were half off. I will show you, take the tag off real quick. The brand, so it is Threshold. It's called a wood block print lounge pillow. Here it is, you'll see my little clearance tag. There you go, so exciting. All right, I'm gonna roll these out and then add just kind of the finishing touches and show the kids.
no, she's gonna eat you up whole and spit you out, and then you'll be free. Every piece. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. Don't I make you feel something? Or maybe you can't feel anything. She's not gonna give you everything. I wish you could be happy, happy, yeah, yeah. But I can't lie. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah. You don't care what's real no more, no, you don't want me anymore. You only want what you can afford. This is goodbye, bye, bye. LA made you crazy, crazy, yeah, yeah.
On a run from a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, you got me good.
All right, guys, come see the room.
Oh! Wow!
Do you like it?
Yes! I wish I could.
Keep going, there's a surprise around the corner.
Oh!
Okay, turn the light on.
Hey,
What do you think, Ro?
Rory, come see the back of it.
Rory's already taken it.
Wow! We need to... Wait, no! We need to... Hey, Leo!
You like it?
Yes?
Liam, what do you think?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining me today. Clearly this space was worth the time and the effort. If you don't have a secret room under your stairs, who normally does, do a closet, especially if your kids are home for the summer, just a little space that you can just zhuzh up for them. I think it's worth it. All right, if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, turn on the notifications. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.